Hello viewers, welcome to Home Decor Haul, a dedicated YouTube channel for your dream home requirements. If you have any query, please mention it at comment section. In this video, you shall see living room modern backlight ideas. For more ideas, please click I button link above the video screen. To make a creative living room design, we have not 5, not 10, but brought together so many cool photos for you. Look at the designs, living room, ceiling lights, and get the best living room lighting ideas. The design of living room has a great alternative lighting idea. The spotlight bar is the option if you don't like the false ceiling lights and draw well works, or if you don't have the budget of the gypsum to stretch ceiling. It's very practical and economical solution and easy to change and remove also. Many living room lighting ideas in one design. First, the ceiling lights, the classic luxury chandelier made of copper and crystal. The backlight between the false ceiling layer and the main ceiling, and the spotlights that were installed in the ceiling gypsum board to spread the light into the living room corners. The other lighting idea in this living room is the TV wall lights. The TV wall was made of drywall with luxury wallpaper, and the light source were installed between the drywall layer and the wall of wallpaper. What a luxury living room design with modern ceiling lights and other lighting ideas. Creative TV wall design. It's a stone wall with drywall works. The ceiling lights and the lighting source are installed in the drywall, make 2 layers of lights on the TV wall. It's really creative living room lighting ideas. I believe this video will help you to get better ideas to decor your living room lighting. For latest updates, subscribe to our channel, click the show links and enjoy watching the videos.